Scene script. Have you ever wondered how diverse and fascinating our animal kingdom really is? Let's take a journey into the vast expanse of the animal kingdom, a realm teeming with millions of species, each radiating a unique charm, exhibiting distinct characteristics and leading unparalleled lifestyles. In every corner of our planet, from the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, life has found a way to thrive. Animals have conquered land, sea and sky, painting a vibrant tapestry of biodiversity. Imagine a world that houses creatures as tiny as the fairy fly, an insect so minuscule it can sit on the tip of a human hair, to beings as colossal as the blue whale, a marine mammal that stretches to approximately 100 feet. This stark contrast in size is but a glimpse into the myriad forms of life that call Earth their home. Every animal species plays a pivotal role in the grand scheme of life, contributing to the balance of our ecosystems. They are an integral part of the food chains and webs that interconnect all living beings. The survival and prosperity of one species often hinges on the existence of another, and this intricate web of life is what makes our planet so special. But here's a fact that might surprise you. A significant portion of the animal kingdom remains uncharted territory. Scientists estimate that we've only identified about 1.5 million species, but there could be anywhere from 5 to 30 million species out there. That's right. The majority of animal species are still waiting to be discovered. It's as if we're standing on the shore of a vast ocean of unknown life forms, eager to dive in and explore. Each unexplored corner of the animal kingdom holds potential for new discoveries that could revolutionize our understanding of life on Earth. Who knows what remarkable creatures are yet to be found, or what extraordinary adaptations they might exhibit. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the animal kingdom is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. What if you could change your body to survive in any environment? Imagine for a moment the vast Sahara Desert. Endless sand dunes, scorching heat, little to no water. Sounds like a death sentence, doesn't it? But for the mighty camel, it's home. How? Well, the camel has a unique adaptation. It can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go and store it. Not in its hump as popularly believed, but in its bloodstream. This allows the camel to go for 7 whole days without water, even in the brutal desert heat. Now let's take a chilly plunge into the icy waters of Antarctica. The temperatures here can freeze a human in minutes. But for the adorable penguins, it's just another day in the park. Penguins have a layer of fat or blubber under their skin that insulates them from the cold, and a waterproof coat of feathers that keeps them dry. Plus their black and white coloration, it's not just for looks. It's an adaptation known as countershading that helps them stay hidden from predators and prey. But it's not just about physical adaptations. Some animals have developed fascinating behavioral adaptations too. Take the meerkats for instance. These small mammals live in the harsh Kalahari Desert, where predators abound. To survive, meerkats have developed a sentinel behavior. One meerkat stands guard while the others forage for food. If the sentinel spots danger, it issues a warning call, and the group scurries back to their burrow. And let's not forget the monarch butterfly, which embarks on an epic migration journey of 3,000 miles from Canada to Mexico to escape the freezing winter. They've adapted to this arduous journey by developing strong, large wings and a unique navigational system that uses the Earth's magnetic field. So from camels to penguins, meerkats to monarch butterflies, every creature has its unique adaptation, a survival toolkit crafted by nature over millions of years. It's a testament to the power of adaptation, a reminder of the resilience of life in the face of adversity. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its survival solutions, does it? Imagine if you could understand what animals are communicating. Would you be surprised by their conversations? Now let's dive into the fascinating world of animal communication. Animals, just like us, have their own unique ways to express themselves, and their communication methods are as diverse as the species themselves. Take for instance the melodious songs of birds. Each chirp, tweet, or whistle is not just a pleasant sound to our ears, but a well-constructed message, signaling territory claims, mating calls, or even warnings of potential danger. And then there's the world of marine mammals. Dolphins and whales, for example, use a complex system of clicks, whistles, and body movements to communicate with each other. These underwater conversations can travel long distances, allowing these creatures to share information across miles of vast ocean. Insects, on the other hand, rely heavily on chemical signals or pheromones. Ants leave a pheromone trail to guide their fellow colony members to food sources, while bees perform intricate waggle dances to indicate the direction and distance of nectar-filled flowers. And don't forget about body language, a universal form of communication among animals. The fluffed-up feathers of a frightened bird, the wagging tail of a happy dog, or the bared teeth of an aggressive primate all speak volumes without uttering a single sound. Even in the silence of the night, the bioluminescent signals of fireflies are a sight to behold. These light patterns are not just for our amusement but are actually complex signals used in mating rituals. But animal communication is not just about information sharing, it's also about expressing emotions. Just like humans, animals too experience fear, joy, anger, and even love, and they communicate these feelings through their unique languages. So next time you hear a bird singing, a dog barking, or see a firefly glowing, remember there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. Their language might be different, but their emotions and intentions are quite relatable, aren't they? Ever wondered if animals have a social life? Well, they do. The animal kingdom is teeming with complex social structures, some of which might surprise you. It's not just about survival of the fittest, it's also about cooperation and collaboration. Take wolves, for instance. They don't just run in packs for the fun of it, they have a sophisticated social hierarchy with an alpha male and female at the top. These leaders guide the pack, making decisions on everything from hunting to migration. Each member of the pack has a role to play, and they all contribute to the survival and success of the group. Elephants also have a fascinating social structure. They live in matriarchal societies, where the oldest and largest female leads. Her experience and wisdom guide the herd to food and water sources and away from danger. The matriarch's role is so vital that when she dies, the herd can face real hardship until a new leader emerges. And it's not just large mammals, even insects like bees and ants have complex societies. In a bee colony, there's the queen, the drones, and the workers. Each has a specific role, from laying eggs to gathering food or defending the hive. In an ant colony, there are workers, soldiers, and the queen. The workers gather food and maintain the nest, the soldiers protect the colony, and the queen lays the eggs. It's a well-oiled machine, functioning with incredible efficiency. These are just a few examples, but the animal kingdom is filled with a myriad of intricate social structures. These structures enable animals to survive and thrive in their respective environments. They rely on each other for protection, food, and companionship. So yes, animals do have social lives, and they're as varied and complex as our own. Their social structures might be different from ours, but the sense of community is something we share. Do you believe animals can think and feel just like us? In the realm of the animal kingdom, intelligence and emotions are not exclusive to humans. Many animals demonstrate a capacity for complex problem-solving, memory, and even emotional experience. Let's delve into this fascinating topic. Researchers have made astounding discoveries about animal intellect. Crows, for instance, are known to use tools, displaying an understanding of cause and effect that rivals a 7-year-old child. Elephants can remember locations of water sources across vast distances, a testament to their extraordinary memory. Dolphins communicate with each other using a complex language of clicks and whistles, demonstrating a level of cognitive sophistication we're only beginning to understand. However, intelligence isn't just about problem-solving or memory, it's also about social interaction and communication. Many animals show remarkable social intelligence, like wolves, who live in structured packs and display cooperative behavior, or bees that communicate the location of food sources through intricate waggle dances. Now let's shift gears to a more contentious issue: animal emotions. While it was once considered anthropomorphic to attribute emotions to animals, modern research suggests otherwise. Dogs, for example, show clear signs of joy when they play, and can exhibit stress or anxiety when separated from their human companions. Elephants have been observed to mourn their dead, remaining with the bodies for hours or even days. These behaviors suggest a depth of emotional experience that we're just starting to appreciate. Understanding animal intelligence and emotions not only deepens our appreciation for these remarkable creatures but also prompts us to reflect on our own intellect and emotional capacity. Are we so different from our animal counterparts? Or do we share more similarities than we've previously acknowledged? So it's not just us humans who have the capacity for thought and emotion. Our animal friends share these abilities too. This revelation opens up a world of possibilities, encouraging us to continue exploring the incredible depths of the animal kingdom.